Library, back again for Autumn Crafts for Adults. In this series, I'm showing you different things that you can use around your house to make fun fall crafts. Today, we're going to make a wreath using a straw hat and other things that you can find around your house. You can go to Joann Fabrics or Michael's to find these supplies, but just for you, we're going to have a limited supply of this craft at the South Branch Library. So come on in and pick it up. So today, what you'll need to make this craft is a hot glue gun, a fun little puffball nose, some big googly eyes, a little bit of floral wire, some black felt, fun autumn fall leaves, some hay, and of course your straw hat. And again, all of these can be found at Michael's or Joann Fabrics, but just for you, you can pick up your own kit at the Elyria South Branch. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is take your floral wire and you're going to put it right through these holes, right on the hat. The floral wire will be used to hold the brim of the hat to the top. It just reinforces it. But before you stick it through, we're going to add the straw. So the straw is going to be his hair or her hair. And we're going to put it right where that crease is. Once you're satisfied where it is and the length that it is, we're going to use the glue. And don't be afraid to use a lot. Remember, hot glue is very, very hot, so be careful. And I'm going to reinforce it on top. And then I'm going to stick my floral wire right through. And the nice thing about these is that there's slots in between because it's woven. So you can stick the floral wire right through that. I'm going to lift up and press it down. And then twist it so it's nice and tight. And then your hay is trapped right in that corner and it's nice and glued. Now you can, once you've twisted it and it's as tight as you would like it, then what you can do is you can cut off the floral wire, or I like to just fold it. Then we're going to glue the top. And you're going to hold that glue until it's dry. You have hair. So as you can see, we're already starting to get a scarecrow. The next step will be to add his face. Okay, so that's nice and dry. I'm going to add his face. Okay, we'll add his eyes. Glue the back of the eyes. Put your finger through the brim of the hat. Hold it down until it's dry. Okay. Now I'm going to take the other eye and glue it on. A fun fall craft that you can do by yourself or with friends or with your kids. Because it's not a very difficult craft, it's just fun. Now I'm going to add his nose, and I want his nose right at the top of my hat. for the eyes and the nose, I put the glue on those objects. But for the mouth, I'm actually going to put the glue right on the hat. Make his smile. I'm going to add a little bit more glue because my mouth was big. And I want it to stay because I think I'm going to put this on my porch. Okay. So already now I have my face. So then the last part is adding the fall leaves. Now you can add these to the hats. You can add it to the hay. You could get some ribbon and add a bow. So just like the eyes and the nose, when I'm ready and I like where it is, I'm going to add my glue to the leaves, and I'm going to press it down. And the glue is hot, so I do feel it through the leaves, so be careful. And press it down. And there you have it. You have a fun scarecrow to hang on your door or in your kitchen or in your living room. And that's it. Again, this kit you can pick up at the South Branch Library on 15th Street. So come and see us at the South Branch. Have a great day.